Here's why you should never install this type of ceiling on your roof. Because when this woman spent $2,000 to have it installed on her house, the sheet suddenly started bulging in the middle of the night. She panicked and quickly called a professional. The man immediately found the cause, made a small cut underneath the sheet to release the trapped air, and after cleaning the inside, he blew hot air on it and the sheet sealed itself back up. Why are these people throwing red cloth into this giant bowl? Actually, they're tossing Chinese wish tokens. They have to write their wish on a red piece of paper, wrap it inside a red cloth, and throw it into the bowl. According to legend, if it lands inside, their wish will come true. But if it misses the bowl, they must not have subscribed to this channel. Have you ever wondered why people used to drip wax onto letters and seal them? It wasn't just for decoration. It was to protect the message inside. Once sealed, if anyone tried to open it secretly, the seal would crack or break and instantly reveal it had been tampered with. The unique pattern pressed into the wax also proved the letter came from the real sender. But today, wax seals mean something different. It's no longer about keeping secrets. It's about keeping feelings.
As you dip a gold chain into this cleaning liquid, you might see black smoke rise from it. But don't worry, your jewelry isn't getting damaged. This machine sends sound waves through the water, creating millions of tiny bubbles. When these bubbles burst, they gently blast away dirt, oil, and grime stuck deep on the jewelry's surface. In Japan, they make a plastic protection that is placed on the tongue. It's called a tongue cover. It is put on your tongue, and as soon as you wear it, your sense of taste completely disappears. Like this girl, who can now drink even the most bitter medicine without tasting anything. In China, when a road has a crack or pothole, instead of using concrete, they first spray this special blue solution. Then they fill the area with plenty of sand and level it carefully. After that, they spray the same solution over the top. And within a few hours, once it dries, it hardens just like concrete. In Japan, when they want popcorn, they don't buy everything separately. Instead, they get a single pack, corn in one pouch, salt in another, and flavor in a third. They just heat a pan, toss everything in, and lock the lid on top. Then, in a few minutes, they get perfectly flavored popcorn.
Walking on water sounds impossible, but these special shoes use a boat-like design to create buoyancy. Made from lightweight materials, they float on the surface and allow people to move across water for short distances. At first, when people did bungee jumping, they jumped from a high place and tied a rope to their legs to stay safe. But over time, it was not as exciting anymore. So to make it more thrilling, they started hanging from a rope and cutting it with a knife before falling. But people got used to that too, so another method was created. They jump from a height without a rope, but a large safety net is placed below to catch them. This is the difference between amateurs and professionals, because this beginner confidently claimed that he could easily cross to the other side without touching the pipe. He extended the arm and tried to lift himself using the blade, but at the exact moment he pressed down the wheel, touched the pipe, and when he finally crossed to the other side, he realized the pipe was broken now. It is the professional's turn, unlike the amateur. He rotated the machine at a 90-degree angle, extended the arm to maintain balance, and easily moved to the other side with only one final step left. He completed the challenge without any difficulty. When this female cyclist saw the traffic light turn red, she had to stop even though she really did not want to. Since it was her training time, she decided to balance on her bike until the light turned green. She twisted the front wheel, placed her foot on it, and used her skills to keep perfectly steady in the most impressive way. And as soon as the light turned green, she just rode off like nothing had happened. Most people who release sky lanterns for the first time often make the same mistake. They think that after lighting the fire, they can just let go and the lantern will fly up on its own. But many beginners panic when the lantern suddenly drifts sideways or gets dragged across the ground like something is pulling it. But if you explain it scientifically, it is because the air inside has not heated up enough to create lift. Normally, people hold the lantern still for at least 30 seconds and wait until the hot air becomes strong enough to pull their hands upward. Only then is it safe to let go. This guy was almost done with his job when he made a mistake, but instead of admitting it, he came up with a solution that even the homeowner found surprising. When he realized he could not replace the broken tile, he grabbed a handsaw and cut an octagon shape around the damaged area. Then he used a hammer to break and remove all the tiles inside that shape. He smashed the tiles into smaller pieces and spread a layer of cement over the area. Next, he drew guidelines to shape the design and started placing each tile like a puzzle. But he did not stop there. To make it look more interesting, he arranged the tiles in 3 different colors and used black and white pieces to create a bold symbol in the center. In the end, he filled the gaps with mastic and left everything looking like nothing ever happened.